Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया's largest diagnostics company, Energised Diagnostics. खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो.
Ramadan is here, and with it comes a special time when our Muslim friends fast from dawn until dusk, refraining from food and water throughout the day. It's a month full of spiritual reflection, self-discipline and devotion. But we all know fasting for long hours without any food or water can also leave you feeling drained and low on energy. And that's where Suhoor and Iftar come in. These two meals are most important during Ramadan. Suhoor is a pre-dawn meal that fuels you for the long day ahead, while Iftar is the meal that breaks the fast after sunset, replenishing the body after hours of fasting. Now, while fasting is great for health and spiritual growth, let's be honest, there are times when it can feel like your energy is running on empty. Fatigue and weakness are all common during Ramadan, especially if you are not filling your body with the right foods. But don't stress. In today's Eat Right episode, we are here to share some exciting food and drink ideas that will help you feel fuller, energized, nourished, and ready to take on your day, whether it's before the fast or after it. These simple but effective food choices will not only help keep your body fueled, but also make fasting a lot more manageable. So, if you're wondering how to keep up your energy during the day or how to make sure your body gets the right nutrients after a long day of fasting, you are in the right place. First up, Suhoor. This is the first meal of the day and it's super important because it helps keep your energy up throughout the long hours of fasting. You want to choose foods that give you a steady energy and keep you feeling full. So here are some great options for a nutritious Suhoor. Whole grains. Whole grains are a game changer when it comes to providing lasting energy. Think of oats, brown rice and whole wheat bread. These are packed with complex carbohydrate, which means they release energy slowly throughout the day, keeping you feeling full longer and helping to avoid those pesky energy crashes. Plus, they help regulate your blood sugar so you won't experience the spike and dips that can make the fasting more challenging. Add some oats to your Suhoor and you are setting yourself up for a steady flow of energy throughout the day. Proteins. Now let's talk about protein, and trust me, it's essential during Ramadan. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, beans and nuts are all excellent sources of protein. Why is this important? Well, protein helps to keep your muscles strong and helps you feel full for longer periods, which is key when you are fasting for longer. Lentils and beans are also packed with fiber, which is fantastic for digestion and helps prevent those feeling of bloating. Whether you are having a hearty egg breakfast or a filling lentil dish for Suhoor, you are doing your body a huge favor by keeping it filled with a high-quality protein. Healthy fats. Healthy fats like those found in olive oil, nuts, avocados and seeds are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial during fasting. These fats provide sustained energy and help your brain stay sharp and focused throughout the day. They also play an important role in helping your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E and K. Adding a handful of nuts to your Suhoor or using some olive oil in your cooking is an easy way to give your body the energy it needs without overloading your system. Dairy. Don't forget about dairy. It's packed with protein, calcium and probiotics, all of which are great for supporting digestion and bone health. Low-fat yogurt, milk, cheese are great options. Yogurt in particular is a fantastic choice because it helps maintain healthy gut bacteria, which is essential for good digestion, especially when you are fasting. Including some yogurt in your Suhoor can help keep your digestive system running smoothly throughout the day. Fruits. Fruits are an awesome way to hydrate your body and give it a natural energy boost. Bananas, apples, oranges and dates are all packed with natural sugars, which provide a quick source of energy. Not only that, but fruits are also full of fiber and essential vitamins which help keep you hydrated and your body in balance. Dates in particular are a staple during Ramadan. They are loaded with potassium, helping to quickly restore energy and boost your electrolytes after a long day of fasting. Start your iftar with a few dates and you will feel recharged almost instantly. Vegetables. Vegetables are another crucial part of your Suhoor meal, especially since they are full of water, vitamins and fiber. Vegetables like cucumbers, carrots and leafy greens are excellent for keeping you hydrated and supporting digestion. The high water contents help prevent dehydration and the fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Adding a side of cucumber or some spinach to your Suhoor not only boosts your hydration but also provides essential nutrients to keep you feeling your best throughout the fast. Water and herbal teas. Hydration is a key before you begin your fast, so make sure to drink plenty of water during the Suhoor. It's easy to forget to drink enough, especially when you are eating, but staying hydrated will help prevent that sluggish feeling as the day goes on. Herbal teas are also a great option as they can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and even help you relax. Teas like chamomile, peppermint and ginger tea are gentle on the stomach and can provide a soothing way to start your day. So there you have it, a combination of whole grains, proteins, healthy fats, dairy, fruits, vegetables and plenty of water and herbal teas will set you up for a success during Ramadan. By focusing on these nourishing foods for suhoor, you will help keep your body energized, hydrated and ready to tackle the long day of fasting ahead. Now let's talk about iftar. After a long day of fasting, it's time to break the fast with a healthy, balanced meal. You want to choose foods that will replenish your body and give you the energy you need for the next day's fast. Dates and fruits. Dates are a great source of natural sugar and potassium which give you an energy boost right away. Fruits help hydrate your body and give you a good dose of fiber and antioxidants. Water and fresh juices. After fasting for hours, water is a must. It will rehydrate you and replenish what your body has lost. Fresh fruit juices without added sugar are also great for restoring those electrolytes. Soup. Warm soups are perfect for easing digestion after fasting. They are hydrating, full of nutrients and help replenish your body with proteins. Lean proteins, grilled chicken, fish, lentils, chickpeas are some of the great examples. These are perfect for helping your body recover after fasting. They support muscle health and help you feeling full for longer. Complex carbs like brown rice, whole wheat, bread, quinoa. These carbs provide steady energy without spiking your blood sugar so you won't feel sluggish after eating. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocado and nuts. These fats help your brain stay sharp and support digestion without overloading your system. Dairy. They provide protein and probiotics to help with digestion and keep you feeling satisfied without bloating. Hydration. Hydrating vegetables like cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes and bell peppers. These veggies are full of water which helps keep you hydrated and they are rich in vitamins and minerals. So there you have it. By choosing these nutritious foods, you will help keep your energy up and your body feeling strong throughout Ramadan. Whether it's suhoor or iftar, these options will make fasting a whole lot easier. Hope you found today's video helpful. Keep watching FitTech.